Hello and welcome back to Exercising with Arthritis and Fibromyalgia. This is part 3, Staying Motivated. Staying motivated is essential for maintaining an exercise routine, but it can be challenging when you're dealing with chronic illness and pain. Setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and finding an accountability partner or a support group can help you stay motivated and on track. My overly competitive nature has put a stop to exercising with others. It led me to exercise when I shouldn't have, all because I needed to prove that I could. And the people pleaser in me didn't want to let my exercise buddies down. Both reasons led to physical exhaustion and injuries. Journaling and seeing my results on paper is the motivation that I need. However, you may thrive with an accountability partner. The key to staying motivated is to get to know yourself better. Following an exercise program with arthritis and fibromyalgia can be frustrating, but it's not impossible. A great way to stay motivated is to record your progress. Try using my chronic illness exercise tracker to improve your experience. Stay tuned for part 4 of Exercising with Arthritis and Fibromyalgia, addressing mental health concerns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, be sure to visit my blog, thedisableddivablog.com, and follow me on Instagram at _disabled_diva, and Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at The Disabled Diva. Have a great day.